Welcome back to part 5 of From What If to Watch God Work. We have talked about mindset, confidence, and finances, and how each one changes when we choose faith over fear. Now, here is a simple but powerful step for you this week. Write down one what if that has been holding you back. Pray over it. Then replace it with God's truth. When you do this, you are no longer letting fear have the final word. You are giving God space to flip it for your good. And this is exactly why I created the 30-day mindset reset guide. Fear does not just disappear. It gets replaced day by day with the truth of God's word. This guide will help you release shame, renew your mind, and walk with confidence in your business, your finances, and your purpose. So if you are ready to stop letting fear and procrastination keep you stuck, grab your copy today. The link is in the description. Romans chapter 12, verse 2 says, "Be transformed by the renewing of your mind." That is exactly what this reset will help you do. Thank you for joining me through this series. If this message blessed you, share it with a sister who needs to hear it. And do not forget to grab your copy of the 30-day Mindset Reset Guide. The link is in the description below and the pinned comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.